it is no longer a news that TikTok is paying their creators for every video that they make that is over 1 minute. TikTok gets to pay them. And yes, also, it is not also a news to you watching this video that most countries are not eligible for this monetization. For example, I'm in Nigeria, which means I am not eligible for this TikTok monetization. Yes, and most other African countries and some other parts of the world. So people are wondering, how can they start making money using this TikTok monetization? Okay, on my video today, I'm going to tell you how I was able to create my own TikTok that enables me to earn if I get to post video of 1 minute, more than 1 minute on my page, and I also reach the monetization policy. I'll be telling that step-by-step process on my video today. Okay, so now the very first thing before I tell you is to show you how you can know your TikTok is eligible for monetization. All right, and you know, when it comes to monetization, what we're talking about is if TikTok can pay you for every video you post, unlike other ways we earn on TikTok, which is by going on live, people gifting you, that is different. For those of us who don't go on live, who most likely even do not show our face on our videos, how can you now get paid on TikTok? So for that reason, I'm creating this video for you. Now, I open a TikTok channel today. Yes, the day I'm making this video, I opened a new TikTok account just so that I can tell you, you can create a foreign monetized TikTok account regardless of your region, be it Nigeria or anywhere in the world. Okay, so I'm going to open a TikTok right now so you can see. So right here, I'm on my creator tools of this new TikTok I just opened. As you can see, it says work with artists, creator program, subscription, and creator marketplace. Now, if you're using on Nigerian TikTok, you're going to see this work with artists, this subscription, and also creator marketplace. But you're not going to see this creator rewards program because it's not available for Nigerians. Okay, now let me click on this creator reward programs. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so when I click on it, just wait for it to do the bits. Okay. Now it says here, you are so close to joining Creator Rewards program. Collect rewards for your 1 minute plus videos, more rewards for quality content, monetize with other top creators. Now, to join, you must be at least 18 years old, which I really checked. You must have at least 10,000 followers and also have at least 100,000 videos views in the last 30 days. Now, because I just opened my channel right now, see me seeing channel, don't mind me, I'm not on YouTube. Since I just opened this my TikTok page today making this video, I don't even have one video on the page. I don't have one video. So that is why I don't even have any any follower. I'm used to subscribers. And guys, please can you subscribe to this channel if you're getting enough knowledge from this video. Subscribe to my channel and do not forget to also turn on the bell icon for more videos like this. Yes. So you should have at least 10,000 followers, which I just opened today. I don't have any video. So that is why this is showing 0, 0. Now, I can click on notify me when I'm eligible, or I will know when I'm eligible because yes, I can see when I have 10,000 followers and also 400,000 video views. So now, how can you do this for yourself? You know, there are two methods I'm going to explain to you right now. Okay, so the very first method here is to ask someone who is in the UK. Yes, if you have anybody over there at the UK, you could just chat them up for them to help you and open a foreign TikTok account. Do you understand? That is a straightforward process because since they're automatically in the UK or in the US, it is safe for them to open it. And guys, while opening your TikTok account, I would advise you, I don't know which is better, but I'll say go with the UK one. Why? You know, currently, US and TikTok, they are kind of having a clash. We don't know if they're going to ban TikTok in the US or not. So that after creating all these foreign TikTok accounts that you're monetizing and start editing, you will just look up one morning and you hear that, you know, TikTok has been banned in the USA. Okay, so if you go with UK, we're not having any issues. We're not hearing anything about TikTok and UK for now. So I feel that is safer. So that's why I'm saying UK. The other countries you can try out, other countries that are eligible for monetization, which can try out their countries as long as they're not having any issues or any arguments with, you know, TikTok. So let's say you have somebody in the UK, tell them to help you open it. All you need to do is you can create your own Gmail, okay, send it to them, and they will open the TikTok using that Gmail. They should not use the number. No, they should not use a number. They should use your Gmail and a password to open that account for you. And when they do that, they will not send you the login in Nigeria. I just all you need to do is just to log in, and you're going to get all this for yourself. And for people like us that we don't have anybody in the UK, how are we going to open it? How can you get your own TikTok up and running to start earning like other creators? Because guys, it's not easy creating content every single day or every time, and you're only earning from it. So we need to at least learn how to also earn from this. Now, this thing I'm going to show you is what I did today that works for me. Because yes, I don't have anybody in the UK. So now, the very first thing you want to do, guys, is to get a VPS. Yes, you must have heard of VPS, just like VPN. Now, everybody's going to tell you get a VPN. I did not use VPN for my own. Okay, people use Windsky VPN and other strong VPN, but I don't know if it works. Okay, I've not tried it. Some told me that it not work for them, so I said, okay, let me try out different method. So what I did was I already have a VPS, which I was using, and I said, okay, let me try it out and see if I can use it to create a foreign TikTok account and if it's going to work. And to my surprise, it did. So now this is it over here. I went to this my.ionics.com. Okay. Then I got a VPS worth $6.50. All right. Yes, I already had it way before now for something else. So I decided to just try it out to see if it's going to work for me. And for me, you can see that the VPS I got was for the US zone. Okay. Was for the US zone. And remember I told you at the beginning of this video, try to open a UK TikTok account. All right. So even I myself, I might get maybe a UK VPS to open it so that I too can start earning on TikTok using my own TikTok account. Okay. So I haven't done this. Then I went to open the VPS. All right. I opened the VPS and I connected it to my desktop. Then the VPS created a console for me, which I then used to create a TikTok account on my laptop here on my desktop. Yes, when I created it, I used a Gmail. I just opened a Gmail recently today also because I was just doing A and B testing. I didn't know it was going to work. So when I did that, right, I now used the Gmail to open it. I put my password. I put a password and they sent me a code over here. So when they sent a code, I just now did normal process. I logged in. And once I was logged in on my laptop, okay, which shows I was in United States, USA, right? It shows I was in USA. Now, unlike VPN, this VPS created a different console on my laptop for me, on my desktop for me. Now, let me show you what I mean. So now, this is the VPS, and I told you it's created a different console for me. Can you see it now? It's just as if this is another desktop inside my desktop. So now, this desktop over here, it shows I am in US, even though every other thing on my laptop is showing that I am in Nigeria. This console itself shows that yes, I am in the US. Okay, I don't know how VPN does their own. It's going to change everything in your laptop. But even though I am no longer connected to the internet, this was still going to work for me. Do you understand? Highest is just going to post something back online before it continues. Okay, so this is what I used, and then I created my account. And once I was done creating the account on TikTok on my laptop over here, then I came over to my smartphone to log in that my account. And immediately I logged in, I checked immediately and I saw that, wow, I can now partake in this creator rewards program. All I need to just do is to reach their monetization policy and I'm going to start making my money. So guys, if you have a VPS, you can make use of it to just create your own TikTok. Or, a group of friends can just join money together and buy a VPS. $6.50. You can use the same laptop to just create like 5 to 6 different, accounts, TikTok accounts with different names that people want. That is, you guys will only contribute $1 each. $1 each, and you create your TikTok account using your mail and you verify it immediately, and we are good to go creating your foreign TikTok account, which can be monetized. So this is how I was able to do my own right here today before I created this video, and I'm sure if you do yours, it's going to work out for you. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this method, and if you're going to try it, or let me know which method you want to try out and if it's also going to work for you. Guys, I also have a video coming up on what to post on TikTok if you want to grow very fast. Okay, you don't have to show your face in the video I'm going to create. Yes, you don't have to show your face. I'm going to show you different video niches that is going viral on TikTok right now, that within 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, you've created a lot of them and you're uploading on TikTok, And now using this foreign monetized TikTok account, we are going to be getting paid every single week or maybe every single month. I don't even know how TikTok pays their users, unlike YouTube, where YouTube pays me every month on the 21st or 22nd of the month. Okay, so this is how you can do yours, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video as I'll be explaining more ways you can grow your TikTok account and start earning on TikTok. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my videos later. See you guys.